Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video will be an extension to our body styling series. So if you've watched my previous video where I've talked in depth about how to style for our body shape, in that video I've talked about the common body shape as well as some tips and tricks in general for all body shape. However, in today's episode we're focusing solely on the apple shape. Also on this video we'll explore the best clothing style, outfit ideas, and essential tips to enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence. So if you enjoy these styling videos, I highly recommend that you like this video, subscribe down below, and hit the bell notification so you are updated whenever a styling video is out. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first section will focus on how to understand the apple shape. The following 4 sections should be taken into consideration when you are identifying whether or not your body would fall under the apple shape. So the following 4 categories would be the midsection, the shoulder, the waistline, and your legs. So the first key characteristic is the fuller midsection. For example, if you have an apple shape, you most likely carry your weight in your abdomen area, so you are a bit more fuller in the midsection. Second, you would have broader shoulders. So for that specific body shape, your shoulder or typically wider than your hips. Thirdly, we have a less defined waistline. So if you fall under this category, you're more likely to have a fuller waistline, so your waist is less defined. And lastly, the legs are typically slimmer. Depending on your genetic, you're either slimmer or thicker, but most of the time an apple shaped individual would typically have slimmer arms and legs. So recognizing these traits are the first steps to identifying and making conscious outfit decision that would typically flatter your figure. So for section 2, we're focusing on flattering clothing style for apple shapes. To create a balanced silhouette for apple shape, we will focus on the following categories when it comes to clothing choices. First is tops, second are dresses, third bottoms, and fourth how to properly layer for that shape. First option, tops. Normally if you have an apple shape, it is important to opt for V or off the shoulder neckline and wrap style tops in order to draw attention upward and create the illusion of a longer torso. So the key here when selecting tops, whether it's blouse, t-shirt, sweaters, etc., it is important to opt for options that are a bit more asymmetrical, options that will typically elongate the body. So for example, opting for different patterns would be a great idea. Vertical stripe, which tends to give you the illusion of a longer upper body. Second, we have dresses, and for this category, A-line and empowered waist dress that flow away from the midsection are ideal. So for example, any dresses that have that flowiness at the bottom will create this amazing illusion of proportions. Also dresses that are long sleeve and which have voluminous detail at the cuff of the arm or the wrist would be a great option because we want to create volume away from our bodies. And for dresses, maxi length and midi length of dresses would be a great option as well. Thirdly, for the bottoms, it's important to choose boot cut or flared pants that adds volume to the lower body, which create a balancing broader shoulders. So again, I want to reiterate that volume is the important key factor here for an apple shape because we want to create volume away from our round midsection. For bottom, a fitted and flared bottom is a great option for it creates a proportionately balanced body. And lastly, we have layers. Layers is extremely important because in the winter time we tend to layer up a bit more than we would have during the summer. So layering, for example, a structured blazer or open cardigan can add definition and divert attention from the midsection. And for example, for blazer, we want to opt for a structured blazer, something that defined the waistline, that is tapered in to the waistline because we want to create an illusion of a more proportionate body. As for cardigan, anything that is chunky on the top and that has a lot of volume at the arm area, that would also help with the equal proportion. Remember, the goal is to highlight your asset while creating harmony and proportion in your overall look. For section number 3, we will focus on outfit ideas ideas that are ideal for apple body shape. Here are some outfit combination to inspire you. Spring look, I would highly recommend a v-neck blouse paired with bootcut jeans and ankle boots. For dresses, you can always opt for a deep v-neck style, something that is completely maxi and flowy at the bottom, which would give you a beautiful illusion of an hourglass shape. These outfits aim to accentuate your best features, so don't be shy to play around with the different options and accessories as well as different outfits. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, again, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe down below. And if you want to take your outfit games to a whole new level, I have amazing resources available on my website at www.suede.diary. So if you're looking for inspiration of how to create daily outfits that works for your body type and that are very minimal yet elegant, I would highly recommend that you check out the outfit section on my website, where I post daily outfits that are divided per season. So I have outfits specifically for spring and summer, as well as outfits for fall and winter. So if this is something that you're interested in, please do take a look on the website. So additionally, on my website, I have 2 different guides that are there to help you optimize your wardrobe. The first one is the Ultimate Wardrobe Essential Handbook, which is a seasonal guide for building a timeless and versatile wardrobe. In this guide, you'll learn how to transform your wardrobe into a curated collection of versatile, high-quality pieces, which includes 90+ pages of premium guide. These resources are designed to help you make informed fashion choices while also looking effortlessly chic. If this is something that you would be interested in, I highly recommend that you check out my website, which I will link in the description box down below. For section 4, we will focus on common mistake you are to avoid, especially if you have apple body shape. There are 3 different key points that I want to focus for this section. The first one is to avoid clingy fabrics. So for example, stay clear of material that sticks to the midsection. Any material that contained a lot of elastane, sheer material, any material that tend to gravitate towards the skin, I would stay away from that because we want to avoid skin tight clothing and fabric options. The second key point is to stay clear of any extremely high-waisted or low-waisted pants or bottoms, because if you opt for an extremely high-waisted pants, they can emphasize even more on your midsection, and if you go for a pants that is a bit lower, that can also draw the attention where we don't want it to be. It is important to opt for mid-rise pants or trousers because they tend to be more flattering on apple shapes. Thirdly, we want to limit excessive detailing around the waistline. For example, using extremely big and thick belts can also draw attention to the wrong section, which we don't want. Embellishment or clothing details that draws attention to our midsection. So the area on your body is the midsection that we want to avoid bringing the wrong attention to. So being mindful of these following tips can definitely help you make more informed and intentional fashion choices. So it's important to take note when you are shopping on these following things that you should be avoiding. On the last section, we will focus on accessorizing tips for apple body shape. So the following options can be used as styling tips in order to enhance your outfit. So the first option is statement necklace. So we want to draw attention upward and add interest to our neckline. So it's important to use big, bold statement. You can even get away with very minimal, dainty jewelry as long as they bring the attention upward. Secondly, we want to opt for eye-catching earrings to highlight your face. Again, we're bringing back the attention upward instead of downward, where we tend to be a bit fuller. The third accessories suggestions are scarves. They are a great option when it comes to accessorizing our outfits. So the use of scarves, especially scarves that have beautiful pattern, for example, a vertical striped scarf can help bring the attention upward as well. And it also create a lightening effect, making the overall look a bit light. And your hair can also play as an accessory. So the way that you do your hair can also help enhance your outfit. So for example, an updo or even a French chignon can also bring the attention upward. Accessories are a powerful tools when it comes to completing your look and expressing your personal style style, so do play around with different type of accessories. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of styling the apple body shape. Remember, fashion is about embracing your unique self and feeling confident in your choices. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more fashion tips, and hit the bell notification so you stay updated on latest content upload. I'd love to hear your feedback, so let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to visit the blog for more fashion insight and daily outfit inspiration. Until next time, thank you so much for watching and stay stylish. God bless. Bye.